What's going on guys, CJ here and welcome to a PC build log. Now basically my dad's computer is getting old and it needs to be updated big time. So what I've gone and done is I've given him my old processor, my old RAM and my old GPU, so he doesn't have to spend massive amount of money, just get a new quicker PC. Yeah, most of the bits he bought, so he bought the case, motherboard, power supply, hard drive. I was going to get him an SSD, but that sort of pushed the price up a lot, so I wanted to be kind of give him a hard drive instead with Windows 10 on it, so it's not going to be too bad. I'll go for the specs. So it's going to be an i3 430, 8 gig of RAM. Right, so the first thing to do is to back up his data if we can. I'm going to take out his hard drives because he's got 2 in his old one. I'm not sure if he had them in RAID. I don't think he did. I think he just had them 2 standalone, and one was literally a backup drive which copied everything from the primary drive, which is a nightmare. So I'm going to take him out, put him in my main PC, see if I can retrieve anything from it. Fingers crossed I should be able to. Hopefully it's just the operating system that just corrupted and stuff. And yeah, we'll be good to go. That'll be, because then the files will be transferring over, fingers crossed, and we can get to it and building this up. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so yes, it's a Dell. What's it? Zen Windows XP Pentium 4. Yeah, it's an old one. This is Dimension, what, 5150? We need to sort this out. The good thing, it's got 5-channel audio, look at that. That's a good thing. Everything else is just pants. So let's take a look inside. Maybe I should put it laying down. Careful. Yeah. Let's pop the lid open. See what's in here. Oh. I mean, that is what it is, I guess. So what do we need, what do we don't need? Well, we don't need the Wi-Fi card, because he's going to be connected to Ethernet anyway. We don't need this, like 512, probably 512 main graphics card, because we've got him a new one. We don't need power supply, we don't need... Oh, wait. Okay, we need to order him a CD drive. I thought this is SATA. I thought that's a SATA drive. Bollocks. Right, anyway, so what we're going to do is grab these 2 hard drives. See if any life comes out of them. Yeah, we could sort things out from there. Let's put a camera somewhere and get to it. The phone. Look at these guys. 2 80 gig drives, that's 180 gig. That's another 80 gig. Wow.
Wow.
Right, well, okay, so I'm about to try hard drive number 1. Okay, so hard drive number 1 is working. That's the backup drive. That's got to be the backup drive, look at that. That's PC. Okay, well, hard drive number 1 was apparently the backup drive. So this one's got to be the main drive with a bit of tape on it. All he cares about, and all we care about, is the images, videos and stuff. Don't care about programs and etc. because we can just reinstall it. Listen to that clunk. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. Alright, so it looks like it's all there, it's all good. So if I unplug my external drive in, then we can copy that over to the external drive, and then we should be good to go and build that. We can build this in the meantime while I'm transferring data, and hopefully it doesn't fail. We now have an external drive. We're going to transfer stuff from here to here. Will you stop making clunky noises, you two? Right, so let's copy that over to here. 8 gig, is that it? Right, so now that's copying data, I guess we should get on and build this thing. This is a reconditioned case, so I got it cheap off Amazon, and I was always skeptical whether it would come with all the safety screws, well not safety screws, but like with all the screws, and it also said 120mm fan, which goes at the front, so we'll see if it includes everything. Oh look, it's actually done it. That's quick. And all I've done is undone a box. I feel really bad now. Right, so it's a fractal design case. It's only a micro ATX case. Doesn't need any bigger than that. It has a 120mm fan on the side panel if you need to. Power supply, probably 92mm fan there. And yep. On the front, oh, I thought they had a fractal design logo there. Oh well. We have a headphone, microphone, two 3.0s, I think they're first gen, USB hard drive indicator light, and a power button, but no reset button. That's not a big deal, but oh well. That would have been nice to see a reset button on this, you know. Why is there a hole there? Fractal, why did you do this? Who has card readers anymore? Alright, so I undone the thumb screws. Moment of truth. What does it include? It looks promising so far. So we have all of these front cables, headers and stuff. We have a box here, and really, there's no 120mm fan at the front. They lied. They lied. You know what? I think that we have a spare fan that will fit the back. Let's just lay it down. Lay it down like that. Okay, well now we are going to put the CPU and the air cooler on the motherboard before we put it in the computer case. So here's the i3, my old processor. I've just found out that I can actually take out this and put a blank in because they have included a blank. Okay, so apparently the hard drive mounts like that. But one thing is good, it's got these other things. It's like it's trying to stop some vibration, like anti-vibration things. So that's quite good. Okay, I think now's the time to go and see if that fan fits. Alright guys, that's the graphics card from my dad. Don't even ask why. I wanted to have some fun with it. Check that out. He's gonna fun with this. Wait, you really thought I got my dad a bloody 950? Of course not. Of course I didn't. I've only got him this. The GT 730. This is my first ever graphics card, alright? It's a 1 gig DDR3. But come on guys, you really thought I got my dad a 950? What's he going to use that for? Thought it'd be nice and give him a 1 gig. That's good enough for him. This looks like a very nice power supply. It looks very nice. Right guys, we're finished. We're finished building it. All we need to do now is just install Windows and put its data, restore its data back onto it, and it's done. Yes, I know a lot of these computer enthusiasts and everything are going to say, oh god, look at all those cable, oh, cable time or something, man, tucking me on your motherboard. No, I'm sorry, but for now that's fine. I'm not going to be in here often. It doesn't have a window. I mean, I would probably spend more time if it's my own PC and like, it has got a window on display, but I mean, that's fine. It's not blocking any vents or anything. I mean, it's up there where the CD drives are. What I need to do now is just see if it works. Okay guys, moment of truth. Flip power supply on the back. Power. Hey, everything is working nice. That CPU fan sounds loud. But yeah, that is pretty much done. So I'm going to take it into the living room, connect it to the monitor, install Windows, put its data back on, and it should be good to go again.